comes fast, it is picking up that group. And Microsoft doesn't support even the nested group as well. So we cannot group everything into one group as a nested and use it. So that is also ruled out. So this will be a major blocker for this. Thoughts?
I mean, I have one terrible thought, and that's that if we pipe this to the F5, we could alter the stream as it comes through and rewrite it in a way that SAP could understand, but that would be a pretty big undertaking.
Okay, yeah. So we send it to FI and FI constructed. Okay. Yeah, if that can be done, but I don't know like how much time it will take.
Yeah, I mean, I don't. Yeah. I'm not going to volunteer Kartik to put in. I mean, that eye roll would be pretty hairy, but I'm just trying to think like if we're sending it in a format that SAP can't understand, then either we alter the way SAP receives things, or we alter what we send to SAP.
Yeah, only with FI, but we checked with Microsoft that that's not possible to do that. So yeah, I'll discuss with
on the FI.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, Kartik will.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll figure it out.
Okay.
No, I think that maybe me, you, and Naveen and JJ should spin this off and have a conversation outside of that's a little beyond the scope of this meeting, but we should probably talk about it. See if there's something there we could do.
But yes, so if he can't do this, but this will be a major roadblock for that project, only for HCP.
Yeah, but SAP is a pretty large part of it.
That's the Citrion piece then? Is that what we're talking about? That Citrion piece there?
No, not the Citrion.
HCP.
HCP, the third one, yeah. Okay. So
is that specific to success factors?
The HCP one?
For HCP? Or is that for what they're using in ERP?
That's a SCP, HCP. I think it's, I don't know the expansion of that. If somebody can, Nathan, do you know?
Yeah, HANA Cloud platform. No, yeah.
Yeah, it's a HANA Cloud platform, yeah.
Okay, so that's the ERP side, correct? I'm just wondering if I guess I'm asking, is this for SuccessFactors single sign-on, or is this for these bolt-on applications that we're creating in cloud for like PLM for impact analysis?
It's definitely not both of them.
Yeah, I don't know the answer to your question. We'll have to dig a little deeper on this.
But SuccessFactors is okay. SuccessFactors works.
Yeah, it's not SuccessFactors, yeah. We need to get some more information on this, Stephanie. I will see if I can get that.
Yeah, why don't you do like Nathan said, get us together and we can see what we come up with.
Yeah, that's for different. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, I'll set it up.
And Naveen, do you have an update on Citrion? How that's going?
Not yet. So we made the initial like login working, but after it logs in, so it has to redirect to the next endpoint. So that redirect is not happening. So it's not even hitting the SAP. So I have put up a session myself and Karthik after this meeting. So we will see what is happening. So I think programmatically we might have to like call the new endpoint, which is not happening. So at least like we can like make it log in with Azure SSO, but after that it has to trigger a connection to backend SAP, which is SAP Gateway Portal. So that's not happening. So it's not even triggering that point. So that is the only thing. That's the last bit. So if you can make that work, then I think we should be good with that one. But I have some other thoughts, so I'm not sure if that's going to work. So I'm going to work with Karthik on that and see if we can do in a different way.
Yeah, Joan mentioned to me that we're entitled to the source code for Citrion, and that they're in the process of requesting that.
Yeah, they requested, but they have not sent it yet.
What's the likelihood that we would be able to alter the source code to make this work?
Don't know. I don't have an answer for that now.
Yeah.
First, we need to get that and see what is it, and then we can check it out. It's just one part that needs to get changed. So we just need that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you hopeful that we're going to be able to get this to work?
I can't tell you right now. So maybe by afternoon or something, we should be by our meeting. I should be able to get something.
Okay.
So back to the HANA thing. Are we doing something different? Because I do see specific instructions on that platform to get it to Azure SSO. Just wondering. I think I asked that question last week too, because I see this link here.
It's the groups. It's the groups, JJ.
It's a groups. It's a groups. Yeah, it's a groups part. We're not doing anything different. It's how the groups are like. The OEM is sending as a comma separated one, and SAP also reads it as a comma separated one. So whatever the first group it is getting, so it's getting only that. So if the users are like in multiple groups, which provides them access to different parts of the application. So only the first part, whichever they are part of the group, that works. The second parts will not work.
Okay.
Because it reads only one group, so that's what is causing the problem. Everything else works. So if they're part of only one group, they're good, no issues, everything works.
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, planned task for the coming week, we are going to migrate. We got the date July 8th for the HR based application ServiceNow, SuccessFactors, Ask HR, Smiles, and ESCO. So there are around 7 to 8 applications are there that we are going to plan for the next week, and this is for, and also we are working on the support document, and that we are going to upload in our team. So these are the plan for the coming week. So that's it. So any question on this?
Yeah, just the comment that the July 8th date, could change depending on what Naveen finds out with Citrion. Ideally, we'd like to have all those apps use the new logon process that the plant workers use. So the goal was to have SuccessFactors, Smiles, Citrion, and ServiceNow all transition on the same day, so that they could slip if we need more time to get hr.hershey's.com working. Citrion.
So far we are good with ServiceNow, SuccessFactors, Ask HR, and ESCO. Yes, Citrion, we are trying to get it out as July is the date given by the application. Hope so we will try to complete it out.
Okay. Yeah. Move on.